Closing market comments for Tuesday, December the 29th. Wow, what a day in the markets. Markets opened lower last night, traded about unchanged to a little lower most of the morning. And after the break, we saw funds come in and start buying again, and market rallied. We broke through some stops, and off to the markets we were, setting new highs in both corn and soybeans. March beans traded at $12.99 and a half, testing the $13 level, and November beans touched $11 before backing off slightly before they closed. Corn also rallied to new highs, with March corn testing $4.67 and December corn testing $4.31, both new highs for the move. So this market continues to have a very bullish attitude. Funds have large long positions, and today they added substantially to those long positions. It just doesn't appear at this point there's anybody that wants to sell this market to put pressure against it. We'll have to see. There's no sales announcements again today, so we didn't see anything that way affecting the markets. Otherwise, in the markets, the dollar was lower today, down 345 points, trading at 89.93, below that $90 level. Gold was up $3.90, and silver was down 210 points. Part of the pressure on the dollar was the additional funding on the COVID relief package of $2,000 from $600 that was passed by the House, adding another $450 billion to the national debt. Crude oil today was traded both sides before closing up 36 cents. Stock futures today were mixed, with Dow futures down 46, NASDAQ up 23, and S&P down 3 for the day. We do have a WASDE report coming out on January 12th, and between now and then, I'm not sure what it is that really controls this market. We continue to see very good strength in the market. Funds continue to be very long. They have the largest long position they've had in this move. We're not to record highs yet, but we are at substantial long positions. So we'll have to see who it is that's going to be the seller. But right now, farmer movement, although we are seeing grain move, as we rally higher, it seems like the movement's getting lighter. I don't know if that's lack of grain left to sell, or if that's a situation where the farmer's gotten bullish and has quit selling. But either way, cash grain movement has started to lighten up, and up until now, the board has been doing the work for the consumer as far as end producer, the ethanol plants and what have you. The board's doing the work. They're buying because of higher prices. But as we see movement starting to lighten up, it's going to be interesting to see what might happen to basis levels. Market is inverted. We have March trading even with May on corn. We have January beans trading within a half cent of March on beans. So no carry left in the market, and you go past May and neither one has any carry. It's inversions. So we'll have to see what happens. It'll be an interesting market to follow. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.